Yes, welcome back to our channel. This is Vishankar Prakash. In last video we have discussed about Protista. This is the continuation for that video. So let's get into the topic. Fungi constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organism. Heterotrophic means depending upon other organism for their food requirement is said to be termed to be heterotrophic. They show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. What is meant by morphology? A physical appearance. Nothing but a physical appearance. Habitat, the place where it lives. Generally, bread develops a mold or orange rot. It is because of fungi. Means, if you observe the mold or orange rots in fungi, this rots is nothing but this is the due to the activities of fungi. So, common edible mushroom and toadstool also cause it due to fungi. So, white spots seen on mustard leaves is due to the parasitic fungi, which is also known as albigo. Some unicellular fungi means single-celled fungi. Example: yeast use it to make bread and beer in industries mostly. Other fungi causes disease in plants and animals, which is wheat rust puccinia is an example for that. Some other fungi is used as antibiotics. Is the example for that fungi is penicillium. So fungi is cosmopolitan, means it may occur in air, water, at anywhere in the place, any animals or plants. So this is about fungi meaning of cosmopolitan. The prefer to grow. Mostly fungi prefer to grow warm and humid places. So this will prefer a lot. It like or love to the warm and humid places. So that's why this grows in a humid and warm places. So we keep food in a refrigerator to prevent food from going bad going due to bacterial and fungi. Because we use refrigerator for prevention of from fungi and bacteria. Let us have a look about few exception to the yeast which are unicellular. So we are going to discuss about the body structure of a fungi. So normally yeast which are unicellular fungi, which is a filamentous, means their body is look like a filamentous structure. So other than yeast, all fungi consists of a long, slender, thread-like hyphae. Hyphae is look like this. This is the slender, long, thick. This look like this is said to be hyphae. In this hyphae consists of a continuous tube filled with a multicellular cytoplasm. Means in this cell, within the cell is said to be cytoplasm. All present inside the cell is said to be cytoplasm. Filled with in that cytoplasm, if it is filled with multinucleated, then it is said to be cenocytic hyphae. So other have septate or cell wall in their hyphae. So septate is nothing but a branch of organism. Cell wall of a fungi are chitin. Means we have talked about the structure of fungi right now, and we are further going to discuss about the cell wall of a fungi. So it is composed of chitin, which is a very chitin and polysaccharides, so which gives the strength to the cell wall. So reserve food material is glycagon and oil. What is reserve means? Reserve means nothing but a storage food material. Next go into the general characters of fungi. Most fungi are heterotrophic. I have told you earlier, which they cannot synthesize their own food, so it is dependent on other organism. So absorb soil soluble organism. So we know that fungi is heterotrophic, which cannot synthesize their own food. So this need a food. So it will take soluble organic material from dead substrate, means dead organism. Then that fungi is said to be saprophyte. So those depends on living organisms and animals. Means if they also depend on plants and animals. If a fungi is depend on a plant and animal, is said to be a parasite. So what is symbiotic? Symbiotes are nothing but a similar word to the symbiosis, where mutual exchanges takes place. So fungi shows a symbiosis with algae as a lichens. So and with roots of higher plants. So it also shows roots of higher plants, which is a most common example for that. This association is mycorrhiza. So let us get into the reproduction topic of fungi. So reproduction is usually by vegetative, asexual, sexual in fungi. In vegetative means vegetative types. How vegetatively fungi is divided or grown is there are three three in this vegetative means. Fragmentation, where body break down into fragments, is said to be a fragmentation. And fission, where it is a division in there. Budding, where it is divided from mother or parental body, is said to be a budding. So let us get into the asexual reproduction. How asexual reproduction takes place. Conidia. Asexual reproduction is by spores, that is called conidia or sporangium, sporangiogenesis or zoospores. This is the types of asexual reproduction. How the asexual reproduction of a fungi takes place. Let us get into the sexual reproduction. How sexual reproduction takes place. This in sexual reproduction takes place through oospores, ascospores, basidiospores. These are the three types of sexual reproduction types. How they divide, fungi divide. The various spores are distinctive structures. Various spores are produced in distinctive structure are called as fruiting body. So mostly we have talked about here the basic concept of fungi next to the structure of fungi of these structures. Fungi body structure we have discussed here, and here we talked about symbiosis and their food, how they will take a food. So here in this we have discussed about how the fungi reproduce and how reproduce by vegetatively, asexually and sexually. So life sexually cycle involving the three steps. So generally sexual cycle is more complex. In any organism, like in humans or any other organism, sexual life is differ from asexual lives, because asexual life is more simple and it's not much complex than sexual. So let's get into the sexual concept. So fusion of protoplasm. What is meant by protoplasm and where it is present? Within the cell, other than the nucleus, is said to be protoplasm. What is meant by cytoplasm, which came earlier? Including nucleus and protoplasm means all the parts inside the cell is said to be cytoplasm. What is meant by protoplasm? Other than the nucleus is said to be a protoplasm. So fusion of protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes is said to be a plasmogamy. So this so motile. What is meant by motile? Moving. An organism moves from one place to another place is said to be motile. So if an gamete is moving from one place to or one place to another is said to be a motile gamete. If it is not, then it's said to be a non-motile gamete. So fusion of this protoplasm between two motile or non-motile gametes is said to be plasmogamy. The process name itself is known as plasmogamy. Let us go through fusion between two nuclei. What is meant by nuclei? I have told you earlier, within the cell nucleus is present in the center point. So if the fusion takes place between the two cells, then it's said to be karyogamy. So what is meant by meiosis? Meiosis is a reducing, which basically occurs in the plants and fungi and all, because they reduce the gametes. Where humans, mitotic takes place in their zygotic phase. Here meiosis results the haploid condition, which is nothing but a end condition, which is haploid. When the fungi reproduces sexually, two haploid complex mating and together form. Means in sexually, two haploid hyphae mates together and fuses and form a diploid cell, where n plus n. This, however, other fungi, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, dikaryotic stage like n plus n together per a cell. Means in one cell, two nucleus are present in this stage of dikaryotic stage. This condition is said to be a dikaryotic phase. This is termed as one phase, is said to be dikaryophase. So this is about detail of fungi. Let us go to the subdivisions. Based on what fungi is further divided, we are going to discuss about that concept. So based on morphology of mycelium and mode of spore formation and fruiting body, they are further, this kingdom means fungi kingdom is further divided into Phascomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteriomycetes. So let's go through the one by one. Phascomycetes, which is also nothing but algal fungi, where it grows aquatic habitat, and also decaying wood in moist and damp places, and and it also acts as obligative parasites on plants. So mycelium is septate. Aseptate means without branched, and cenocytic, where I told you earlier, which is body is made up of a group of nucleus, is said to be cenocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place zoospores, where motile, the term is came back motile, I have told you earlier. If the asexual reproduction takes through non-motile gametes, is said to be alpinospore, There is a difference between zoospore and albunospore. Please remember this point. These spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. I have told you sporangium. Endogenously, if within the body, if this reproduction this spore will take place inside the sporangium, is said to be endogenous condition. So zygospores are formed by the fusion of two gametes. This is the result of the asexual reproduction. These gametes may similar means if an organism, if the gametes of this Phaseomycetes algal fungi are similar, means which look like both are same gametes, like male, there is no differentiation between male and female, then that gamete is said to be isogamous. If there is a difference between male and female gamete, this is called dissimilar anisogamous gamete. So some of these examples for this class is Phascomycetes is Rhizopus, Mucor, Albigo. These are the example for this Phaseomycetes. Let us go through Ascomycetes. This is also nothing but a sac fungi. It's also known as sac fungi. Ascomycetes is unicellular. Mostly it is a single celled. Example to that yeast is also known as yeast का दूसरा नाम क्या है? Saccharomycin. Multicellular of Ascomycetes is Penicillium. Penicillium, what is the use of Penicillium? Used as antibiotics. They are saprophytic or decomposers, which they cannot synthesize their own food. That's why it depending on dead and decaying matter of organic. They will take a food from dead and decaying matter. That is said to be saprophytic and decomposer, which acts as a decomposer. Sexual spores of Ascomycetes are conidia, where they are produced exogenously. In Phaseomycetes we discussed about endogenously, which means present inside the sporangium. Here exogenously, outside the hyphae, is said to be conidiophore. Conidia on germination produce mycelium, means after germination the daughter comes from conidia is mycelium. During sexual reproduction, dikaryotic phase with ascogenesis hyphae is formed. This is the point of that. Sexual spores are called ascospores, which are produced endogenously, said like Aciae. This is the terminology which you will understand. Karyogamy and meiosis occurs in Aciae, means a single ascospore is said to be Aciae, which I have given here singular as. These Aciae are arranged in a different types of fruiting bodies said to be or called to be ascospore. The globous ascocarp without opening, this is called Cleistium, where this point is not present in NCERT. This is present in the academical books. So examples to this Ascomycetes, which is also known as sac fungi: Aspergillus, Claviceps, Penicillium, and Neurospora. There is a unique characteristics of Neurospora. This is also used for biochemical works and genetical works. So let us go to the Basidiomycetes. It is also commonly known as mushrooms, brackets, puffballs comes under this. Also known as club fungi, where it grows soil on logs or tree stumps and living plant bodies or bodies as parasites. Example to this Basidiomycetes, rust and smuts. There are branched here. Mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual spores are generally not found, but vegetative reproduction is fragmented, means reproduction takes place by fragmentation in commonly. Sex organs are absent. This is the unique characteristics of this Basidiomycetes, where sex organs are absent. Just remember this point. Plasmogamy is brought by the fusion to vegetative or somatic or primary by strings or genotypic. So resulting structures of this is means the end product or end characteristic is dikaryotic, means di nothing but a 2 karyon. Karyotic means 2 nucleus, 2n condition. Resulting condition here is 2n condition. So here sex organs is absent. This is an important point. This is all about Basidiospores are exogenously produced on Basidium. Basidium is nothing but a Basidia. We can also call it as Basidia. Basidia are arranged in a fruiting body is called as Basidiocarp. Some of these example for this subdivision is Agaricus mushroom. This is the scientific name for mushroom. And these are the Polyporus and Lycopendron and Eustola. These are the example for Basidiomycetes. Let us go through Deuteromycetes, which is also named as imperfect fungi, where the sexual reproduction is absent in this. where asexual and vegetative reproduction will take place. If we found any sexual reproduction, then it is further moved into the Basidiomycetes and Ascomycetes, but not into the Deuteromycetes. This is the unique character for here. So it is also used for mineral cycling. So examples, let us see the examples for Deuteromycetes: Alternia, Colostrum, Trichoderma. This is all about today's class. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and do subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.